watch out for widows and orphans. So based from my experience, this is very common if someone let me critique a design or a website. You might not notice this, but if you're seeing a paragraph na may isang word lang to the rest of the line of the paragraphs, that's what we call widow, or a single word that sits alone on the last line of a paragraph or heading. Now, if you're going to see this image at the right side, yung word na line, this one word lang siya. And if you're going to read it, parang emphasized siya. Like instead of like reading the entire paragraph, ito lang yung napansin mo. 'Di ba? So this is what we call widow typography. So this is very common. So what are you going to do to fix this? It's either you're going to compress the number of words in the line sa paragraph, or you just add this widow typography to the paragraph. So that's how you fixed it. And the difference naman with orphan, orphan is a single word that appears at the top of the new column or page, disconnected from the previous paragraph. So as you can see here at the right, this is an example of an orphan, meaning reverse siya ng widow typography.